It's Edward Roski, and I'm asking good questions. How does AI score your resume, and is it in any way accurate? So, if you applied for a job online, there's a pretty good chance that no human actually read your resume first. An AI scored it, and then a number decided whether you move forward, basically, if you finished above a certain threshold. So, a developer said, let me test this. HackerRank, which is the company behind the coding test that engineers have to take, open sourced its resume screener. So he grabbed the actual code and then he ran his own resume through it. I've taken one of those coding tests. I have feelings about it that predate this story, but I will attempt to leave those out. So he ran the same resume through the same scorer over and over. First run scored a 90, next was a 74, then he got an 88, then he got an 83. At that point, I probably would have closed my laptop and got outside to remember what sun looks like, maybe touch some grass. But no, he ran it 100 different times, and the scores landed anywhere from 66 to 99. This is one resume, no edits, exact same algorithm. Now, there are plenty of companies that set the cutoff around 85. So at that line, this exact same resume would get auto rejected about 65% of the time. Nothing about his resume changed between each run. The model just landed on a different number each time, which is kind of a strange thing to decide, are you going to get to have a career at this company on or not? So the same resume gets a different score every time. And when we picture AI getting hiring wrong, we usually picture bias. We're applying what a human might do to what the computer is doing. So we're imagining that the system is screening people out for wrong reasons. And the problem he found is actually stranger, maybe somehow worse than that, because you're asking a language model, which is probabilistic, to read a resume and put a number on a person, and it's not going to give you the same number twice, even when you tell it to stay consistent. Frankly, I wouldn't let one of these pick my lunch consistently, let alone my next hire, but it's getting there. And maybe it's arguably better than a person, but the developer found that the hard facts did hold. Your years of experience would score the same every run, which is good because that's math. But the judgment calls, the things that computers are supposed to somehow be better at than humans, like whether your projects are any good, they just bounced all over the place, which has affected your score substantially. So that's the half of you that a hiring manager actually cares about, and it's the half that a machine can't figure out how to hold steady. So what worries me actually goes well past resumes. Think about who gets their loan pre-screened or their insurance claim flagged by one of these. Each one turns out to pretty much be a coin flip that nobody can see. It's a black box. You can never tell a real no. You just weren't qualified for this job or this loan or this insurance from a completely random one where the LLM went flip a coin. Oh, it landed on this. I'm going to go this. So, how many good people are getting screened out basically by luck? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.